cross-party group on deaf issues Tuesday, 4th of July. Anne Jones was unable to attend due to having to go to a meeting relating to her being the Deputy Presiding Officer, so I took the chair. We looked at Social Service and Wellbeing Act, the registration of deaf people, the lack of suitably qualified social workers, and access to social services, and the need for people going to the third sector when they should be really going to social services. We looked at the position of new payment arrangements for translators, making sure we have cross-party groups meetings outside Cardiff so that we can go and talk to people inside the community, and we're looking to go to both North Wales and Bridgend. We're looking at inviting the Health Minister and the Social Services Minister to a future meeting, and we talked about trying to expand the membership of the cross-party group on deaf issues to include